Hi, I'm Jackie from Abberton Rural Training. We're delighted to be partnered with Malden District Council to bring you this stay-at-home, grow your own project. Now, if you've said you've got a garden, you'll get one of these, otherwise you've got a grow bag. You'd have also received a potting tray and a selection of seeds, as well as a bag of compost. First of all, I've laid the planter directly here on grass. Now that's fine if I'm only going to be planting vegetables that don't need to go down, so not root vegetables like carrots or swede. If I was doing root vegetables, then I would need to remove the grass area first. And then here I've got lovely potting compost that can go straight in, and literally I can tip the bag in. So spreading it out nice and evenly. If you've got any large lumps, just give them a little brush and break them up a little bit. So the final part is to blast little water in, gently from side to side. Depending on your choices, you will get 2 packets of seeds. The individual packets will have the sowing instructions on the reverse. And of course you can also watch our online videos for specific hints and tips. What I want to do first is just make a little furrow, a drill, and I can use a hand trowel like I'm using, or a spoon, or even a stick. Each drill should only be about 1 centimetre deep. And the reason for doing this is so you can identify what's seedling and what's weed coming up as your vegetables grow. What I'm going to be planting here is a lettuce. It's one of my favourites, Webb's Wonder. And Webb's Wonder is particularly good because it's so easy to grow and you can harvest individual leaves at a time. So I've just got a small selection of seed in the palm, and I'm just going to do a very light sprinkle along the row. Not too many, otherwise I'm going to have a lot of thinning out to do. So the ones you've saved you can put back in the packet and then sow some more in a few weeks' time to keep your crop growing even longer. So what the next thing to do is just cover them over lightly. Remember where you planted, and I'm going to pop my little label in at the end. So you can stick to just 1 or 2 varieties in your planter, or you can do a real mix. So here I'm going to plant different rows to give you different examples of what you can plant in it. So I'm going to separate these by about 20 centimetres between the rows, and just do another drill and plant in here some spinach. Exactly the same as I did for lettuce. And again, label at the end to mark what I've done. The next one I'm going to plant is radish, and officially this is a root vegetable, but because it doesn't go very deep, it can still be planted in this type of planter. In this one I'm just going to be planting a row of spring onion and a row of leek. The leek need a little bit more room, but I can still fit them in here, and I'll still get half a dozen leeks in this size of planter. Just a little light water are all they need at this stage. Water regularly, keep an eye on them, don't let them dry out too much, but you also don't need to flood them. You should see seedlings appear in 7 to 14 days, and I'll give you more instruction on how to care for them and thin them out in due course. All of us at Abberton Rural Training and Malden District Council hope that you really enjoy growing your own. Please feel free to watch more of our videos on our YouTube channel, and comment and share your pictures.